your next adventure didn't require a plane ticket or even a hotel? The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck is here, and it's ready to turn your road trips into something a whole lot more exciting. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we explore the future of mobility, one innovative vehicle at a time. Design. At first glance, the 2026 Chevy Camper Truck blends rugged utility with modern comfort. Built on a reinforced Silverado HD chassis, it combines bold truck styling with a sleek integrated camper shell. Think heavy-duty meets tiny home on wheels. The camper section features streamlined contours, improved aerodynamics, and a surprisingly upscale look. Inside, it's spacious, bright, and thoughtfully laid out, with smart storage and high-end finishes that rival luxury RVs. Performance. Underneath, you'll find Chevy's newest hybrid diesel-electric powertrain, designed for both torque and efficiency. Whether you're towing gear through mountain passes or cruising along the coast, this camper truck handles it smoothly. With up to 400 miles of range and advanced suspension tuning, it's built to go further, even off the beaten path. Features and tech. Step inside the camper, and it's packed with innovation. Solar panels on the roof keep essential systems running off-grid. There's a compact but fully equipped kitchen, modular sleeping areas, climate control, and even a digital command center to manage lighting, water, and battery levels. Connectivity, 5G hotspot ready, with smart home integration for your devices. It's like your apartment, only it moves. Conclusion. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome Camper Truck isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade. For road warriors, weekend explorers, or anyone chasing freedom with comfort, this is one worth looking at. Thanks for tuning in to Next Gen Reviews. Drop a comment below. Where would you take this camper first? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more hands-on reviews of the vehicles shaping the next generation of travel.